Hi, we're here at SHOT with Ray from Leupold, and he's going to be telling you about their new 1-6 scope.
So this is our Mark 6 1-6 scope. Going to launch mid-year. It's part of our new 1-6 or Mark 6 family. It has an ice shell that moves for the power selector ring. The entire ice shell does not move. It's just a portion of the ice shell. At 1 power, it's a true 1-powered scope and a 34mm main tube, 20mm objective, 2/10 mil increments. So with a locking turret, it only locks at 0. So as you make your adjustments, it doesn't lock in that, but it locks when you turn it back to 0. That's both on the windage and elevation. There is a battery cap over on this side for the illumination that hinges open, and it is weatherproof and water sealed and watertight. Has 7 different illumination settings. Has 7 different illumination settings with an offsetting between each on-setting. It's a daylight bright visible reticle. It's very quick to acquire because it doesn't wash in bright daylight. Gives you that true red dot sight at 1 power. It's very quick and easy to use. We're excited about the 3-gun market. I think it's going to be a very valuable asset to those competitors and also those folks in law enforcement and military.